Hello friends, today I'm going to take you to see Hayes Falls. I've never been here before, so we're going to explore it together. It's along the Maliceet Trail, which is about a half an hour south of Woodstock, New Brunswick. So this trail into Hayes Falls, it's 1.8 kilometers in and out, so 3.6 kilometers round trip, about 2.5 miles. Friends, just a word of caution when you're out hiking and you see things like this right across the trail, be careful going underneath it. You see how that's rotten and broken off, it's about to fall. They call those things widowmakers. Always look above you, whether you're camping or hiking, for dead standing wood that has the potential to fall on you. Just keep an eye. So how I found out about this waterfall is I bought a couple of books a few months ago. One was the Waterfalls of New Brunswick and one the Waterfalls of Nova Scotia. And my goal was try to hit all of these waterfalls this summer. That was my goal. I quickly realized that's going to be impossible. There's literally hundreds of waterfalls in both of those provinces. So in that book, the falls are actually rated on a scale of 1 to 5, 1 being less impressive and 5 being the most impressive. I'm in a big pile of mud here. So my goal is to just hit or try to hit every waterfall that is rated a 4 or a 5 in both of these books. I just went up to my knees in mud. So this waterfall, Hayes Falls, it is actually rated as a 5, so we'll go find out. We're walking along the top of a ridge now, and I hear some rushing water down that way, so we're getting closer. Okay, we're descending down into the gorge now. I hear rushing water just ahead, so I think we're almost there. The trail to get here I would consider easy. There was sort of a moderate, steady incline to get up the ridge, but it wasn't hard or difficult. The whole family could do this hike. Oh, I see it peeking through the trees. Okay friends, I am definitely going to give that a 5 out of 5. I think that deserves the 5 rating. I am actually pleasantly surprised how impressive this waterfall is. So according to this book, this is one of the tallest waterfalls in the province of New Brunswick. This one is 24 meters high or 79 feet. Well friends, I actually grew up in northern New Brunswick and I had no idea that this waterfall existed. This is my first time here. I am thoroughly impressed. I definitely give it a 5 out of 5. So when I was hiking down into the gorge here, the trail did branch off and the other trail kept along the top of the ridge. I think it might give you a view from the top of the falls, so let's go see if it does. Well friends, this has now become one of my most favorite day hikes that is family friendly. It's so easy to get to. It's first thing in the morning. I'm the only one here. I have the whole place to myself. Friends, let me encourage you to do just that. Gather your family, Get out and explore God's creation and have a wonderful and blessed day.